Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Messenger video call sound problem. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you're going to be doing is, as I'm in my Android device, I'm gonna be teaching you with an Android version. So just go to your settings and find apps, and then go to apps, and then from here, okay, let it load. Have some patience, guys. Once you are over here, you can just go to Messenger from here. So I'm just gonna find Messenger from here, and it's over here. Let's go to Messenger, and then from here just go to permissions and make sure your camera is turned on, your microphone is turned on, your telephone is turned on. Make sure everything is turned on like this. You can, and then check again. The problem might be fixed, or else what you can do is you can just uninstall your app and install it back again, and your problem might be fixed. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.